Welcome to Car AutoZone. Today we're diving into the classic and iconic machine that made waves in the automotive world during the 1980s and early 1990s, the Volkswagen Jetta A2. For many car enthusiasts, the A2 Jetta represents the golden era Volkswagen design, when driving was about more than just getting from point A to point B. It was about personality, precision, and performance in a compact, affordable package. The Volkswagen Jetta A2, introduced in 1984, was the second generation of the Jetta lineup. It built upon the success of the original A1 model but came with more refinement, better handling, and a design that truly stood the test of time. It featured sharper edges, a more squared-off body, and a solid stance that gave it a stronger, more upscale presence than its predecessor. While it shared its platform with the MK2 Golf, the Jetta had a longer trunk and a slightly more conservative look, making it a favorite among buyers looking for both practicality and elegance. One of the biggest appeals of the A2 Jetta was its build quality. Volkswagen made sure this car felt solid. From the sound of the doors closing to the tight handling on the road, every detail showed attention to quality and German engineering. It felt more premium than other compact sedans of the era, which helped it gain a loyal following not only in Europe but also in North America. Under the hood, the A2 Jetta came with a range of engine options. From fuel-efficient 4-cylinders to the more exciting 1.8-liter 16-valve DOHC engine in the GLI version, there was something for everyone. The GLI stood out as the performance model. It was the sportier sibling with upgraded suspension, bigger brakes, and often came with Recaro seats and a tighter, more responsive gearbox. For those who love driving, the GLI version was the one to get. It could keep up with more expensive sports sedans and still deliver the practicality of a daily driver. The A2 Jetta also earned a reputation for its durability. These cars were known to run for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. The engines were simple, the electronics weren't overloaded with unnecessary features, and the parts were relatively easy to source. Even today, it's not uncommon to find A2 Jettas on the road or at car shows, still running strong after 30 or 40 years. Inside the cabin, the A2 Jetta was functional but well laid out. The dash had that classic Volkswagen feel, simple, driver-focused, and easy to read. The seats were supportive, the visibility was excellent, and there was a decent amount of space for both front and rear passengers. For a compact sedan, it delivered impressive comfort. Another highlight of the A2 Jetta was how it drove. The suspension setup gave it a balanced, confident feel on the road. It wasn't overly stiff, but it hugged corners with ease. The steering was direct, and the feedback through the wheel made you feel connected to the car in a way that modern vehicles often lack. It was a true driver's car disguised as a practical family sedan. In terms of design, the boxy shape of the A2 has aged remarkably well. The square headlights, clean lines, and solid proportions make it a timeless piece of automotive history. Enthusiasts have embraced the A2 Jetta as a platform for modification, with many customizing the suspension, wheels, and interiors to reflect their personal style. Whether it's a slammed stance build, a period-correct restoration, or a full-blown track setup, the Jetta A2 serves as a fantastic foundation. In many ways, the Volkswagen Jetta A2 represents the best of what a compact sedan can be: reliable, stylish, and enjoyable to drive. It carried the Volkswagen spirit of drivers wanted into households around the world, and proved that you didn't need to spend a fortune to have a car that was both practical and fun. As the years go by, the A2 Jetta continues to grow in collector status. It's appreciated not just for its performance and reliability, but also for the memories it brings back. For many, it was their first car, their college commuter, or their daily driver through life's adventures. That emotional connection is part of what keeps the A2 Jetta alive in the hearts of car lovers everywhere. If you ever get the chance to drive one, do it. The feel of the gearbox, the growl of the engine, the classic analog gauges. It's an experience that brings back the purity of driving. No computers taking control, no digital distractions, just you, the machine, and the road ahead. Thanks for watching Car AutoZone. If you're into classic cars, performance machines, and everything in between, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. We've got more automotive stories coming your way, and you won't want to miss them. See you in the next video.